So if you're like me, you sometimes get overwhelmed by all of the pet hair, your dog shedding, the dust and dander, the allergens that are in your house from having your pets, and you might be wanting a home that feels clean, that the air is clean, that is peaceful to be in. And I'm here to tell you that that is possible. Hi, my name is Allie, and on this channel, I talk about how we can live more intentionally, and today that looks like maintaining a clean and fresh home with dogs. I'm boiling water to mop the floors. As the water is boiling, I'm gonna run and declutter and pick up anything that is out of place that shouldn't be in this living room. After all of the extra stuff is put away, I wipe down all the surfaces. A lot of dust and pet dander can settle on like bookcases, our entry table, or coffee table, so I try to make sure to regularly wipe them down, and it keeps everything looking really neat, and it also prevents allergens from building up. And dusting is also an essential part of the process. I make sure to dust from the top to bottom to avoid any particles resettling on the cleaning surface, so that's why I try to wipe everything down before I tackle the floors. This bookshelf, you guys, was dusty. Like, as soon as I started moving stuff, you can even see all of the dust particles floating in the air. And I did not take my own advice. I did not start from top to bottom, but that is what I highly recommend doing. I don't remember the last time I cleaned this bookshelf. It's a shame, for real. So make sure you're cleaning your bookshelves because they can get so dirty, especially if you have dogs running back and forth through this hallway like I do. So with the floors vacuumed, I decided to take the extra step in today's deep clean and look behind the couch. And as you can see, a lot of stuff got pushed back there that I didn't even know was there. And so I took the extra time to vacuum all of that area, pick up any dog toys that slid back there. But baseboards in like hidden areas like behind the couch, they can collect a lot of dust and fur. So far not bad. I need to take a quick break. I'm gonna drink some water and eat a breakfast sandwich really fast. But I'm almost done with the living room. I'm just gonna finish vacuuming the couches and then move on to the kitchen, bathroom, and bedrooms. So as far as maintaining odor, my dogs aren't allowed on the couch. I think that's a huge reason why the couch like doesn't smell bad super easily, but I still will sprinkle baking soda all over the couch and then vacuum it. Just because, you know, they like lean against it, they walk by it, so the couch can still absorb odors. But besides that, I make sure to wash their beds at least weekly. Sometimes I don't get to it, and so I'll have to do it bi-weekly. And washing the walls, I think that makes a big deal. Or like my lower cabinets, my back door is in the kitchen, so they like rub up against the cabinets all the time, and the walls, and they shake and all of that stuff. So those are some areas I make sure to try to clean to help neutralize odors and keep the home smelling clean. Something that also helps with odor and then also overall air quality of our home is we invested in a air purifier. I think I showed myself wiping that down earlier, but that has significantly helped us out as well. Like, there isn't as much dust. Honestly, most of our dust is from the dogs. Like, I remember back when we didn't have dogs, which was only like 3 months of us being married. But there's a huge difference between no dogs to 1 dog to 2 dogs. So definitely, if you have more than 1 pet, get an air purifier. You're saving your lungs, you're saving the smells, all the things. But also remember, like, you have to clean though. You can't just get like an air purifier or like all this good smelling candles or deodorizers and stuff. Like, you have to clean and then do that, and that will not leave that dog smell in your house. Like, you can't skip the regular cleaning. Probably do a deep clean like every 2 weeks. That's probably bad. I should do it weekly, but honestly, like every 2 weeks. especially with dogs, is not letting them in the bedrooms. They're literally only really allowed in the living room and they have to come through the kitchen because our backyard is through the kitchen, but we don't let them in our bedroom anymore. And the amount of like dust and dander is significantly lower than it was before when they were allowed in there. And we got a robotic vacuum now too, which has really helped. So like right now they're shedding so much, and we used to have to like sweep and vacuum like 4 times a day. It was terrible, but we run the vacuum now and it's so much easier, and we only have to take out the regular vacuum every once in a while. So by incorporating some of these small steps into your routine, I hope that your home is a little bit more enjoyable to be in, because I know how like chaotic and overwhelming it can be with all the pet stuff everywhere. And like remember, like being intentional, it's all about those small steps that you do to really make your life like more joyful, right? Like I'm more joyful in a clean home by trying to be on top of our pets who we love, which we love. But if you found these tips helpful, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe. I do have a couple more like organization cleaning videos on my channel, which I will link for you to watch next. And definitely, if you have any cleaning hacks or any ways that you stay on top of dog hair, please let me know. Thank you for watching.